Well, today I will have to discuss about a versatile monitor that can be used for color grading, video editing, and gaming with 100 Hz refresh rate. So with that said, hey everyone, welcome to creatube.xyz. If this is your first time on this channel, I am HabibReshad and I'm doing review, unboxing, and color grading in this channel. So consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's jump and talk about the HP Invade 34-inch quad display monitor. This awesome monitor can gives you 100% refresh rate for a smooth display for gaming, video editing, and etc. With a USB Type-C, simultaneously you can charge your laptop and give a fresh rate display to your monitor. So without further ado, let's have a look and review and unbox this awesome product from our channel. Okay, as you can see, the box of this awesome monitor is very cool with the black color and the shape of the monitor itself, which is curved, and it's written every details and specs in front of this box. So let's grab out the monitor from the box, and one thing I will love to mention here, please don't take this monitor from the two sides. As you can see, it is a full monitor display. It might be crack your skin, as it also mentioned in the box in this paper as a warning, as you can see it right now. So please don't make mistake like me and take it from the bottom of this awesome monitor for carrying anywhere. Place the monitor on my desk. As you can see here, a quick setup of this awesome monitor. In the first step, you can use from HDMI to connect this computer or display port, or maybe USB Type-C or USB 3.0, which will be compatible with the Windows PCs. And also we have the audio sync, and also we have the power, and there we go. Let's open the accessory box and check the cables that we are getting with this awesome monitor. So the first cable is here. As you can see, it's HDMI, full size with the HDMI. You can use it with your PC. And in the second part, we have also this awesome display port cable, which can be used for like desktop computers to display out your full HD or Ultra HD display to this awesome monitor. Along with this, we have here USB Type-C that can work with this MacBook, and currently I am going to use with this MacBook this USB Type-C. And the benefit of this USB Type-C cable with the MacBook is that simultaneously I can charge my PC and also display my video in this awesome NV monitor. In the last but not least, we have here the USB Type-C, which can be used with the Windows PCs. We have here an awesome palette that calls Visa mount palette that can use this monitor on any stand, or you can place it on the wall easily, and it has displayed the method in the backside of this awesome plate, as you can see it right now. so it will be helpful for you if you're using this monitor on a wall or any stand in your studio or home. Since this awesome monitor can power your laptop and itself, it has a this cool adapter which will be used for this awesome monitor. Along with this specification, it also does have USB-C power delivery, which is very cool, that can power your any laptop like MacBook from Microsoft and other easily with the video display as well. So also it has a AMD graphic FreeSync, which will give you 100 fresh rate display that can help you to smoothly play your video games and editing. So let's move on. And at the meantime, it has a Skype calling feature which is available in this monitor with a built-in webcam. I love it very much. Well, I am in love with the shape of this awesome ultra-wide, quite high-definition monitor that can give you 60-watt power along with the USB Type-C display, and alternatively you can use HDMI or display port to pip the screen in 4 or 5 displays. So if you have any comment regarding this awesome monitor, you can write down in the below comment section and tell me the similar model that from the another brand that can compare this awesome monitor with the same budget. So I will see you in the next video.